I am really excited today because today I got in the mail my Ariel commission that I commissioned from CrystalMoniqueDesigns. She's awesome. She was so easy to work with. I came across her stuff on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, this is the most stunning mermaid stuff I've ever seen anyone make, and I need to have it. So basically I messaged her and we started up a conversation about how I'd want my Ariel design, and I sent her a bunch of photos, examples from her past work, and we started coming up with how I'd want my Ariel. And this is like really special to me because Ariel was like the first princess that I ever cosplayed. I cosplayed the pink dress many years ago, but I was never happy with it. It was like super uncomfortable and the dress wasn't that nice. And anyway, from there I like branched out into like my other favorite princesses, but I always wanted to do mermaid Ariel, and that was something that I wanted to wait for until it was the right time, until I found someone who could make me like a realistic kind of design. And so I finally found Crystal Monique, and her and her sister did an amazing job, and it's right here. I'm so excited, I'm freaking out. So the whole process of commissioning her took about a month, I think? About a month. I told her the date that I needed it by, and she was really accommodating and got it to me in time because my convention that I'm going to be wearing this to is next weekend. So I thought I would do a little unboxing video because you guys were asking on my Instagram if I could do like a live stream or a video or record it or whatever. So here I am, recording my opening, my box opening. So let's get to opening! So excited. It's like cosplay Christmas. Some pretty tissue paper. I see the crown! I feel like I'm gonna be so careful with it. So here's the crown! Oh. Wow. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. If I bring it closer to the camera, I think it's gonna blur. It's gonna be blurry, but I'm gonna get some up close shots of it later. Oh. Oh my god. I feel like a queen. Oh my god. This is stunning. I don't want it to like fall off, like I'm really scared. Oh my god. I feel like a beautiful ocean princess. Oh my gosh. Wow. All the detailing, and it's on kind of like a adjustable band here. I don't know how I'm gonna get it to stay on me though. That's the only thing. Maybe I'll attach a comb or something. And she said that she gave me extra pearls and stuff so that if any of them fall off, I can just pop them back on. Okay, put that beaut over there. It's wrapped really well. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay, let's see the bra. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Oh, girl! Oh my gosh. I think some of them pearls already came off a bit, but hold on. Oh my god. Oh, wait, which way's up, which way is down? I don't know. Okay, this way's up. This way's up like this. It's so delicate. Oh my god. Hold on. gem falling off. Okay, I know where that gem goes though, at least. I'll glue it back on. It's so stunning! I don't know how to... This is so complicated. Okay, but there it is. Oh! It's so pretty! I think I'll do a little try on after. Okay, so here's a bunch of extra stuff. These here. Okay. So wow! Oh, there's a beautiful lace up on the back. Wow! Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. Oh, can't get the whole thing in the camera a bit. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. And it smells so good. I love the lace up in the back. So you can do it as tight as you want. And this looks like it's gonna fit me perfectly too. And there's a little flap there. It's like a little fin corset. With the beautiful peplum waist. With the pretty pearl in the middle. And everything is hand sewn. The pearl trim is hand sewn on. There's a lot of stuff that's hand sewn, she told me, so the amount of work that went into this just blows my mind. Honestly, thank you, girl. I love you. You really did an amazing job. I can't wait to try this on. I'm gonna try that. So this is everything on me. It is absolutely stunning. The skirt is a little difficult to walk in, but I was expecting that anyway, but the material is like pretty stretchy, so it's not too bad. I just can't like go upstairs or anything like that. The shell bra was a little difficult to get on because I couldn't figure out the mechanism in the back, but I figured it out. It's pretty simple actually. The crown is right now just sitting on my head, which I'm really nervous to like move my head around because I'm just so scared that it's going to fall off. So I need to figure out how to keep it on my head. And then of course I'm wearing my beautiful Ariel wig by the lovely TwigsByCharlotte. I will also tag her, post about it on my Instagram already. She makes gorgeous wigs. She works out of the UK. She has an Etsy shop and you could pretty much commission her for any wig that you want, and she does stunning work. Just waiting for my blue contacts to arrive and then that's pretty much it. This cosplay's complete. I am so happy. I'm like, this is like a dream come true for me right now. It's just so beautiful, this whole thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned on my Instagram for photo shoots in this beautiful cosplay. I honestly can't wait. I'm so excited. And if you're coming to Otakuthon next weekend, I will see you there. Bye! What would I give to live where you are? What would I pay to stay here beside you? What would I do to see you smiling at me? Where would we walk? Where would we run? If we could stay all day in the sun, just you and me, and I could be part of your world.